we're bringing this to a dinner party. Over 30 plus crab rangoons, homemade.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, everybody. So today we've been invited to a Christmas dinner party, and we'll be bringing some homemade crab rangoons. So today we'll be using this imitation crab. Looks like this is Fremont. Oh, actually Fremont, that's Washington, right? Imitation crab meat. Okay, of course you can use the real deal. Of course that's gonna be a lot more expensive. Looks like we're working with a half cup right here. And today for the cream cheese, got these from Costco, Kirkland cream cheese. So we'll be actually using all 4 bars of these, which will be 32 ounces. Very nice cream cheese, smooth and buttery. My mom is cutting up the imitation crab, see, into little chunks like this. And eventually we're gonna mix it all together so it gives you that nice ingredients in each bite. Alright, my mom is putting some sesame oil. So actually she's already put, I think, a spoon full of salt, put some sugar in there, and soy sauce and black pepper. So we got some nice texture and aroma and flavor to it. Now we're gonna mix it up real good by hand, of course. Tender loving care. You want to mix it in real well, so every little bite you get some of these delicious ingredients. For the wrappers, we'll be using some wonton wrappers. This is the brand. Okay, let's see what it looks like, Mom. We bought this from the Asian grocery store. See? You see how it has a flour on both sides for easy to peel out? See, that's what it looks like. Alright, so we are going to take a scoop of nicely mixed in crab meat, cream cheese. See that? That's like a half spoonful. We're going to put some water. You don't need to use egg because of all the flour on the wonton skin. See, you wrap it up like this. Fold it like a starfish. Corner to corner, corner to corner. That's the shape of the crab rangoon. Make sure you squeeze it tight so you don't leak any of those beautiful, delicious ingredients. And that is a crab rangoon. Nicely folded with many years of Chinese restaurant experience. That's finished product right there. It's beautiful, Mom. Right, now my dad is showing me the other method. Oh, this type. I don't like this type. This is much easier, but that's like a, I don't know, like a frog. I mean, you compare the two style, which looks more appealing? The traditional one or the easy one? Looks like my mom is frying the crab rangoon. Wow, that's a lot. So you're in there folding that many different styles. Brushing the oil. All you gotta do is put it in there for a couple of minutes until it's golden brown. Like that. Perfect. So we're bringing this to a dinner party. Over 30 plus crab rangoons, homemade. Alright, there's our crab rangoon. Okay. We got some egg rolls right here. Egg noodles. Watermelon.
恭喜你啊！恭喜你啊！
And some stir fry vegetable. And here we have some shrimp. Soy sauce eggs with some, I think like some beef, and some sweet and sour meatballs. Steamed chicken, we got 2 bass fish, pickles, Pot stickers, lotus root, green peas. Too busy recording instead of eating. Broccoli, mushroom, lotus root. Everything. Oh.